Now, just to have a brief look, we may revise what we've already learned earlier and some quick additions to these notes. The genotype of such chromosomes is karyotype 47XXY or 48XXXY or 49XXXXY that has abnormal presence of bar bodies, one less than the number of X chromosomes. Now, coming to the frequency of this syndrome, it is usually ranging from 1 in 500 or 1 in 1,000 male births, according to some other studies. An average would be 1 in 600 males usually suffer from Klinefelter syndrome. The life expectancy for a diseased individuals is almost normal, but one fact established is that 50% die before birth.